Whether you're using Brizy WordPress or Brizy Cloud, free or pro, you get access to Brizy Stories, which is an Instagram-style story feature that you can use to really attract more people to your website. I've used it quite a number of times, and during the COVID period, when you had visited many restaurants, this is a good place where you probably would like to use a story because people can just scan a QR code and go to an easy menu with a story set up. But let's talk about the autoplay feature as well as the progress bar. Here I have a typical story. This is a little bit about fashion, and you get the idea of what the story is. It is predominantly made for mobile devices. As you can see, I can click on the left and right to move through it. I can also use my finger gestures, which is swipe, to move through it. Also at the top, you have this slide indicator, and you can click on that also to cycle through them and to a specific slide if you want to go there. Jumping back into the editor, and this is going to work exactly the same for Brizy Cloud and Brizy WordPress. We access the settings of the story up here in the top right-hand corner. And here where you see the play icon, we click on that and that will activate autoplay. You can set the speed for each slide, and 3 seconds is pretty good. And if you're so inclined, you can also decide to loop it. I'm confident you know what's going to happen when we set it to loop. So for this example, I'm just going to untoggle it so that we can work with the autoplay as well as the progress indicator. Control Command S to save our work, and then I'll go back to my display here and I will just refresh this story so you can see how it will work in the autoplay. So 2 things to observe here. First of all is that it takes 3 seconds per slide, and then it goes to the next slide. Perfect. And then as we go through the slides at the top, you will see that with these slide selectors, there's also that progress indicator now. I didn't put it on loop, so it goes all the way. Let's start it again at the very beginning. And there it goes. Because I've already played through it once, I haven't put it on loop. Now it's going to activate like normal, but you can see that 3 seconds bar indicator at the top. This is a great way if you are promoting something and you want to autoplay it, then you just hit it on autoplay, set the amount of seconds, and then there's that indicator for people to understand how long they have to sit through this, and with the option that they can skip to other slides if they want to get there quicker. I love stories, and I think a lot of people overlook this often within Brizy Builder. It's something you should check out and be creative on how you can use it. For more ideas and creative tips on how to use Brizy Builder, make sure to subscribe and remember to visit us at brizy.io. Until next time.